Hey, if you're watching this, you've probably just failed something in your life. Maybe you lost a competition, maybe you lost a match, and maybe you feel like nothing is going your way. Same here. So many things happened to me last month, and I felt like quitting back then, but I didn't. And in this video, I want to tell you why you should keep going even if your mind keeps telling you to stop. But actually, none of these things are failures. They are lessons in disguise. First, think over the events that happened. You might be thinking, did I not do good enough? Am I the problem? Is it because of someone else? Why didn't I win? Why did I lose? Why does it feel like I'm the only one failing while everyone else is winning? Let me tell you one thing. Just because you didn't succeed doesn't mean you're a failure. So to answer these questions, you must first look back at the event. Think about what happened. Write down everything that you think that went wrong or everything that went right. What did others do differently? And most importantly, how were you feeling? Were you nervous, excited, or scared? Once you understand that, you can acknowledge what you are feeling right now. If you're feeling sad, just cry. If you're angry, let it all out. You don't need to keep your feelings bottled up all the time. To truly get over this event, you need to do something to let out all the feelings that has built up. Only then can you truly reflect on what you could have done differently and what you can improve next time. By thinking this, you're learning from the experience and trying to improve yourself by noting down what to improve. Remind yourself that you can still try again in the future, and this is just a lesson you can learn from. But let's be real. If you're faced with failure after failure, it might be harder to get back up each time, because every time you try to get back up, another failure hits you right in the face. And each time your hope gets smaller and smaller, and you feel like people stop believing in you, especially yourself. You see other people living the life you've always dreamed of while you're stuck here wondering if you will ever get there. After you let everything out, you might feel lost, like you don't know what to do next. So the question is, what are you going to do next? Are you going to continue drowning in sadness, feeling sorry for yourself, or are you going to get back up and face reality head on? Tell it that you're not afraid and that you're going to keep trying. This is the time to plan your next move, not to prove everyone wrong, but to prove yourself right, and make this your biggest comeback yet. You are going to become someone no one ever thought you could be. To do this, you need to prepare yourself for your next chance. Learn from this experience so that you don't repeat the same mistakes. Prepare yourself in silence. Ask yourself, what skills do I need to work on? What can I improve before my next chance? Make a list, draw a schedule, and practice these every single day. You don't have to do everything at once. You just have to get 1% better every day. There may be days where you feel motivated and does more work than the other days, and some days where you only do the bare minimum, and that's okay. As long as you're doing something, you're moving forward. Just because you choose to overcome this obstacle, you are growing, and this growth will lead you to bigger heights. Along this journey, you'll start to see things differently. Even if you didn't win the match or the competition, you still gained a new experience and new friends. You learned discipline, you built character, and you grew. The more you practice, the more you sharpen your skills. You get one step closer to your goals. That's why practice makes perfect. So the next time you get a chance to participate again, give it everything you have. Remember, nothing is over until it's truly over. As long as you're still there, as long as you still have a chance, it is not over yet. You can still try. You never know, things can change in a single moment. Just by clicking on this video, you already took your first step towards overcoming this failure. But it won't always be quick, so don't rush yourself. It takes time to recover from these setbacks. Everyone has their own timelines. Everyone heals at a different rate. That's why you should only focus on yourself. Stop comparing your journey to someone else. It doesn't matter if someone else is doing better than you, because their success doesn't block yours. So you just have to try as hard as you can to achieve your own goals. Lastly, I want you to hear this. Failure doesn't mean your story is ending. Sometimes it's just the quiet part, the part where nothing seems to be happening, but everything is actually changing. Right now, it might feel like you're behind, like you missed your chance, like this loss set you back years. But the truth is, growth usually doesn't look impressive while it's happening. All you need to do is take the next small step, then the next one after that. Some days, showing up is enough. Your past failure doesn't get to decide your future. Your worst moment does not define your worth. And in this chapter, no matter how painful, it's not the final one.